I use a Lee press for reloading, and when I do, I tend to use a depriming punch to deprime, and I hand prime all my cases. I don't prime on this press, but frequently I'll do like a stack of 9mm, and I've always wondered how many am I actually doing at a time. And therefore I went ahead and figured out a way to count the strokes of the press using an inexpensive LCD punch counter. And I hooked it up to my press, and I'm going to show it to you guys. If you're interested, you can get one of these. I paid $9 for it on eBay, and if you type in LCD punch counter as part of the search, you ought to be able to bring these up. And they're different prices. They ship from Hong Kong, or actually somewhere in China. When I got it, the instructions were all in Chinese. Good luck reading it. But you don't need the instructions because the eBay site itself usually will have complete instructions. So here's how I hooked mine up, just to show you how it works. First of all, there's a small magnet that's used to actuate everything, and I just stuck it to the screw on the press. And every time it goes up and down, it goes in front of this magnetic sensor, which is just held on to this bar with some Velcro. And the digital display will actually count and as you can see there, it's on 5. I'm going to raise it up and down here. 6, 7, etc. So you can see how it works. Now this is powered by 2 AA batteries. I'm not sure 2 or 1, but you get into the batteries by taking these screws off on the back. And here's how you hook up the sensor. Brown wire I have towards the center, blue wire towards the outside. These 2 screws on the left-hand side of the screen are for setting it back to 0 if you want to use an external switch to set everything back to 0. But you can reset everything with the reset button on the front. Which is on the right, and the pause button is on the left. So it works great. And you have a different type of press. You may have to figure out a different way to set it up, but as you can see here, I've just put this little magnet onto the screw on the press, and as it goes up and down in front of the switch, it's going to count the number of up and down cycles. Total cost is $8 from where I got it. It took a month and a half to get here from a slow boat from China, but a small piece of Velcro to hold everything on, and it's good to go. Whatever press you use, I'm sure you can figure out a way of mounting it so that it will actuate every cycle that you go up and down. These things have tremendous capability of using on other objects if you want to do counting. So good luck with it. When you do your search on eBay or Amazon or wherever you get it, look for the words LCD punch counter to search for it.